Hey guys, I'm at the now upgraded Parkers Road level crossing in Parkdale, Victoria. This is a two-gate, two-signal level crossing on the Frankston Line, which sees trains to Frankston, sprinter transfers for the Stony Point line and the Long Island Steel. The crossing was recently moved just a little bit to the east to accommodate for the new section of line while the new station and everything gets built here, just the same as Warragul Road, which is just down the line, which will be in a different video. Anyway, the brand new installed signals here, only like 2 weeks old or so. We've got an unmarked base, a Westinghouse Gate Mechanism, a wireless riding stopper and signal sign, 6 Westinghouse new style LEDs on 2 Westinghouse Crossarms, a 2-track sign, a Red Background Crossbuck, a General Signals e-bell, a flat gate, and 3 Siemens gate lights. Alright, and this other signal over here has a unmarked base, a Westinghouse Gate Mechanism, wireless riding stopper and signal sign, 4 Westinghouse new style LEDs on a Westinghouse Crossarm, a 2-track sign, a Red Background Crossbuck, a General Signals e-bell, a flat gate, and 3 Siemens gate lights. Wow. Yeah, you did. Did you have a good look?
Yeah, totally.